Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Verify your iPhone supports Face ID and is running the latest iOS, then unlock settings. Once done, go to Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode so the system trusts you. Make sure you're in good lighting, hold the phone at arm's length, portrait orientation. Tap Setup Face ID or Reset Face ID if an old scan exists. Move your head slowly within the on-screen circle. This registers multiple angles. Keep calm and follow the simple frame prompts. Now focus on the how and why. You need 2 complete scans for a reliable model, so center your face and keep your expression neutral. Once the first scan completes, the system prompts a second, and you should rotate your head slowly to capture all angles. This improves recognition accuracy for glasses, facial hair, or hats. Make sure lighting is even because the infrared sensor maps depth. Harsh shadows or backlight reduce fidelity. If prompted, adjust distance, move closer or farther until the frame fits. Finish by enabling Face ID for the features you use. iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, Passwords, and Apps. Toggle each option in settings. Once set, test unlocking and authorizing a purchase to confirm functionality. If your appearance changes often, add an alternate appearance so the model learns a second look. If Face ID repeatedly fails, reset Face ID and redo both scans in consistent lighting. As a last resort, restart the phone, and if problems persist, contact Apple support for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.